Though. What, Elijah? First, get back. Take that off your back. That could have fling and shipped your. What the Yo, get the. Alright, we're trying to jump on this train here. We are car number 2. So on the floor it says car number 2. So that's how I know where to go. Sheldon, hold this brother, hold your brother, hold your brother. Everything has to be lifted, Elijah. Go first. Let Elijah go first. Yeah, it's gonna have to go. Take it off. We have to store it ourselves, bro. Find where there's room and put it up. Slide it there. Okay. Bring that with you. Bring that with you. Oh, if it doesn't have a key, it has to have a key. Here's a key.
The next stop is Nankai Town, station number NK31.
Is this our seat?
Here, look, 37.
Stopping at Izumi Sano.
What a friggin' day. What a day. So we're on the train. We're trying to get to our hotel, which is an hour away, essentially. 45 minutes.
Izumi Sano. Izumi Sano です。Wakarabashi方面はお乗り換えください。
We are going to go
izumi
to
Sano の次は
Shin in
天下茶屋に
Inyan.
停まります。
Shin in
出
Inyan.
口は奇数号車は前、偶数号車は後ろです。和歌山市方面にお乗り換えのお客様は右側からお降りください。両側の扉が開きますのでご注意ください。
You could leave the sleep on the train if you didn't want to sleep on the train. Could have got just a chat.
Izumi Sano. We will soon make a brief stop at Izumi Sano, station number NK30. Please change trains here for Wakayama-shi. After
Wakayama-shi.
Izumi Sano, we will be stopping at Tenga Chaya.
Tinkachaya.
Passengers bound for Wakayama-shi should exit on the right side of the train.
Okay.
Please be careful, as the doors will open on both sides of the train.
Okay. Instructions. So we're going to Shin Miyanya. Once you say it, you say it properly too. I don't know, but here's the train, guys. And this is like the coach train. Then you have the regular train that looks like our train back home. And yeah, you just hold your stuff with you. But here they have a little compartment where you have the luggage, which is back there where Dwayne is right now. He's trying to secure it. So they do have a place where you can like secure it, but it has to have a key in order to open and close it. So yeah, I think it's worth it. It's more comfortable seating. You have this. want to eat something. It is very spacious. See, even the stroller fits there beside the laptop. There's a gentleman here, and he moved, and he allowed us both to sit here. We're gonna sit there on the shoreline. We go each over there. After this, we will take a taxi to probably 2 taxis if our stuff may not hold, or we could walk. They say it's about a 10-minute walk. Are we down to walk? I don't know. Maybe. I'm entertaining the thought, but I know doing it is not going to be here for it. We'll Google it and see. It's kind of hard to see what outside is looking like, but here's what outside is looking like. I thought we were underground, to be honest. I didn't even realize or notice when we came above ground. The place just looks rural. Like, I mean, what this look like? Beer city. I guess we're in the city, but I don't know how to explain it. My poor children.
新間宮です。JR 線はお乗り換えください。
Poor kids.
新間宮の次は終点。
I'm gonna check tickets. You know, I just heard them make the announcement, and I was like, they're not gonna do that. Hey, I'm out here and check people ticket. But the thing is, you got up so we can sit here. I hope they don't ding him. What does it matter? He's on the train. Casualty, where did it go? Right there. Yo, we don't have anything to grab it, dog? Anything we can lower and grab the, yeah, that, past that. No. Don't kneel over it like that. That needs to long out though. What, Elijah, first get back. Take that off your back. That could have fling and shipped your, what the fuck are you doing? Get back. Get back. Yo, get the Yo, y'all upset that you're better? No. This bag could have flinged your whole body over that edge right now. That's the joke. This thing has a hook right here. I can hook that shit. I'm looking. You see how far? No. Just checking. It has a hook. You could really just grab that shit. The next train though, it has to be right after. Yeah. Long it out.
Did you have to pay for that?
But I wouldn't do it now. Now the train's gonna come in the next like 2 minutes or something. Oh, wow. You don't fling it like that. You just lift it up slowly. Ah, success. Let's go. Why? This is why we needed to. This is why we needed to protect them. This is why we needed to get it. We risked it all for the one little connector band. Cause no, what was on this one? This one had something on it. Yeah, this one had something on it.
No, it didn't. That one had
that had that. Okay.
This was up with that on it.
Right.
This was connected to this.
Right. No. You need tickets? In here, look half decent though. I can tell you right now, it's 10 o'clock at night and outside feel alive. Like 5 alive. Feels like it's also starting to rain. We're not sure how we're getting to the hotel. We can walk for 20 minutes, push all our stuff, or we could try to call a taxi. What? Okay, so let's do it then. Let's do it then. So go and order the Uber. Yep. Fine, hi. Are you my Uber?
Uber. Okay.
Uber. Can it fold down? Yeah, let's see. Let's go this first. Do this first.
Okay.
And I try to figure out. It's okay. It's fine. It's okay. Yeah. Yeah, it will work. It will work. This can fold up and go in there. That's spacious. Start detaching, please. Hold on, get inside the car, please. Go to the back seat. Put the big one first. Oh. The other big one. Keep these attached. When you detach it, you just leave it like that. Yeah. So that can... Turn that one on the side. Take up the scarf and the umbrellas. Take up the umbrellas, wait, put them on the side. Okay. Oh, gosh. That's gonna, yeah, we'll put it there. It's gonna go okay. Hey, Dwayne, you said put that one on top. Thanks for asking, Elijah. Before the door can't open, now we are open up the door. That can't fit in the middle? The baby's bag can go in the middle.
Okay. How long is the drive to the place? Oh, okay. About 5 minutes. 5 minutes, okay. とても怖いです。
But it's very scary.
Okay, this is our Airbnb. That's right there. So I'm gonna open up the door now.